Karma Guy here. Check out this 2016 Volkswagen Tiguan 2.0 TSE with 68,000 miles and a clean Carfax. It has a dealer service history and over $2,500 in recent service, including a pre-delivery inspection, oil change, air filter, AC compressor, timing chain, and coolant flush. Plus, it's past the current GA state emissions and comes with the original books. This Tiguan is dealer certified pre-owned, backed by a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty and a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price. Ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade too. We believe in transparency, so feel free to request a recent computer scan. This car is in great shape with no trouble codes or dash lights on. It's ready to go. Please note, price reductions will void the CPO status and warranty, but you can still upgrade the warranty at a discounted rate. Come see us today. The bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of low price is forgotten. Let's get you into this Tiguan.